Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
Remember that argument? That money they paid into it.
I make that argument every day.
Okay. They paid your rent. They took those pensions along for years.
You are right. So we have to push back.
Hi there. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. That's you, Darcy. I said, we're like crazy. Don't be fair.
How are you?
Yeah, she didn't know. They didn't set it up. They're giving us space.
Just don't jump on the bandwagon.
Well, we're living in that.
The American Legion, it goes according to your age. And my New York Post when they made it.
There you go. How did it go? It was fabulous. We were like fabulous people here. Yeah. Wow.
Really? Wow.
As a service we have a veteran here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
This is Carlton, our photographer. Finnegan. Wait, let me get Finnegan up on my lap, Carl. Listen. Finnegan, come. Come here. Come. My lap. My lap. Come here. Good boy. My lap. Come on. My lap. My lap. Come on. Attaboy. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy.
What are their names?
That's Finnegan and this is Lewis.
Oh, okay.
I'm Carol Adams. I'm a disabled vet from the Vietnam era, and this is my service dog, Lewis. Lewis, lap, my lap. Good boy. We've been partners for 8 years now.
And this young lady?
My name is Sally Chester, and I'm the board chairperson for New Horizons Service Dog, and this is Finnegan. He is the 12th service dog that I have helped to train.
Great. We're going to get him to wave at us, or?
Finnegan.
Finnegan, you down there?
This is the laziest dog. Finnegan. Right. He has to be bribed. Finnegan. Finnegan.
There you go. That'll work. Thank you very much. Don't run away.